So traders, I want to give you an important update on gold, a real short-term update. I've been doing some analysis right now on gold, getting ready for the week, and there is something that I think is really, really important that you understand about what's probably going to come this week and why you shouldn't be getting sucked in to these markets. And that's what I want to share with you. So what's happening right now in gold is that we've had a really big, strong sell-off with gold recently, right? Really, really, really big, strong sell-off in gold. And obviously a lot of people are starting to freak out when it comes to, you know, what's going on right now, and stuff like that. So if I bring up my actual, let me bring up this, I'll bring up this chart here. I'll blow this chart up here. So this is the daily chart here on gold. And one thing that you can see, we actually had a bit of a drop to the downside here, real big drop to the downside. But now, because we've dropped to the downside, what's probably like going to come out of gold right now is we're probably going to get a rally. So it's probably going to be a pretty strong week, maybe for the first few days, maybe for the entire week out of gold. But the rally is likely to be very, very, very short-lived out of the markets. And the reason why is there's a few reasons why. Let me actually I'll blow this one up here. So there's a few reasons why. Firstly is that we actually broke the low on the upward trend. So as we're making these higher lows, the market's in an upward trend. We broke the low there. We broke this low here. So therefore, what's happening right now when it comes to gold is gold right now is now not an upward trend. The trend is over when it comes to gold. So we could be getting a bit of a bounce from here because we actually broke down here. We could be getting a bit of a bounce, but the bounce is probably going to be very short-lived. Maybe wait for the moving average to catch up. And then down we go again, right? Because that's what the market does. When the market gets too far away, on the upside we go up and then down and up and then down. See where the moving average comes to the moving average, comes to the moving average, right? And then the way we go up and then we go down from here. So I actually talk a lot about this actual trading setup here in the Master Trader Lab that I'm giving you 95% off today. If you need some help with trading, you need this because I've wrapped up everything I've learned over the last 20 years around everything, all the areas that goes into trading, and I put it into the Master Trader Lab, and I'm running a 95% off sale. If you go to johns/sale.com, you can grab that. You can grab that for 95% off. Link in the description there. So we see this low through here. We've actually had a big rally to the upside here. So if we do get a rally to the upside, the rally could be on the. We're talking about the downward trend now. Right, because whenever we are in a downward trending formation, we're probably likely to see through that. And I'm just zooming right now to show you this, but let me show you this here right now. So that's the first thing I do say. The second thing I do say is that, look at this here. We had this very strong upward trend, bing bong, to the upside, right? And we had this level here, and this level here, really, a really strong movement to the upside. But we've actually broken it to the downside once again as well too. And then also now we can see how that when I zoom right in, we can start to see that there is a whole bunch of areas there's a resistance level through here. And then there's also there's also a resistance level up through here as well too. So if I bring on my Fibonacci levels, because now we're in a downward trending on the downward phase. Normally, if we're in an upward trend, we go from low to high and we have 50% retracement and that holds, right? And then once again, in an upward movement, we have a low to high, right? And if it stays above 50%, then we have a big, strong upward trend. Then we go from low to high, as you can see. We can see that that was the 60% level, broke it. Now the trend has changed. So now we do the Fibonacci from the low to the downside. And so the rally that we're probably likely to get, it may even get up towards this level up through here. But this is probably going to be a very short-term rally out of gold. And so what I'm just seeing here right now, guys, is that if we probably see this rally up through here, come down through here, and then we're probably likely to have another movement on the downside. Now, this is some short-term technical analysis, so expect a bounce out of gold here, but I don't want you to be thinking, at least on a short-term level, I don't want you to be thinking that the bottom's in, because the overall upward trend through here is now over, and we're likely to see a movement on the downside. So I hope that helps you out there, guys. Guys, if you'd like to join my 12-month 2025 Inner Circle coaching program, link in the description. You can go apply for that. I'll speak to you guys real soon.